Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing these DIY lash clusters, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is by the brand ICOICE, and it is a lash cluster kit for those DIY lash extensions. I've been wearing lash extensions for over 5 years now. Really long time. I haven't went back. Every time I take off a set like this, I put on a set, and you can see my lashes are not bad. They're just not like super long. They're not bad. It hasn't destroyed my lashes because I use lash remover when I do remove them. So the kit comes with everything that you will need to apply them. It comes with the bond and the seal, the lash remover, and the tweezers. So you won't have to buy anything else, which is a really good deal. Like, you're pretty much getting everything that you need, so it's about as much as you would pay for everything separately. This is what the lashes look like. I'm going to be applying these. These ones are going to be super dark and dramatic. I like more wispy ones like this because they just look better. So let's go ahead and get to applying. So the measurements on these is 16, 14, 12, 12, 10, and 8. I usually start out with 16s. I'll do like 2 to 3. These are a lot wider, so I'll probably only do 2, 2, 2, 2, and then maybe 1 if I can fit it. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So this is before. Okay, my hair, I just got out of the shower, so it's still wet. Okay, so you have your bond, which is the glue. And then you have your seal, which is if you blink and your lashes are sticky, you put the seal. You don't have to put the seal. If you put the seal over your whole lash, it'll make your lashes actually crunchy, so you don't want to do that. Now let's get to applying. So you're just going to dab that at the base of your lashes. It's kind of hard to do because I'm not using a mirror. I have no idea where my lash mirrors are. So you're just going to, you can see it's already sticking in the bottom. This is a really good lash glue. It's already getting pretty tacky, which is great. And you're going to grab the lashes from underneath like this, and then you're going to pull up. I like to grab them where they're going to be like comfortable, like this. You're just going to go underneath and just put it like that. And just put it on like that. Now we're going to do 14s. Another 14. Now I'm going to do a 12. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit much more on my lashes. And then I'm going to try to fit one more. We will see. And I'm going to do the 10. So I did 2 16s, 2 14s, 1 12, and now 1 10. And that will be like fully loaded. So on this one, because there's not a lot of glue right there, I'm going to put some glue on the bottom side of this. And we're gluing all these from underneath, if you can't tell in the video, because sometimes it's hard. Like when I first started watching lash videos on how to do them, it was so confusing to me. So if you're confused, I'm here for you. That's why I'm here to teach you, because I was confused at one point too. Just wait for it to get a little tacky. I thought I had food in my mouth. I was like, I haven't eaten today. Okay. And then we're just going to come on this side. It's a little awkward position. I'm going to add it right there. Do you see how pretty that is? Before and after. Then once you're done, you're just going to grab the back of them and you're going to pinch them onto your natural lashes. Okay. One more pinch. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the side. Are they not so pretty? Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera so this video is not super long, and I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like completed. I look like a totally different person. So these are super pretty. I will link everything down in the description box below if you want to check them out. This is actually a brand that sells contacts. So I have some contacts on the way, prescription contacts. So when I do get those in, I'm going to show you guys because they are going to be beautiful. You guys are going to love it. I think I got 5 different pairs. So stay tuned for that video because it should be coming soon. I also wanted to mention that I can usually get these lashes to last about 2 weeks. If you're washing them, taking care of them, everything. Usually I don't wear them that long because I like to switch them out and try new things, but you can get them to last that long. They are like on there, you can see. Ooh. Like you cannot tell that these are not like just regular lash extensions. So much easier. And if you do want to, if like your lashes, when you blink, if they're sticking to the bottom ones, that's when you'll use the still. Do not brush it on the entire lash. If you do use the still is the side that looks like this. You're just gonna go and barely touch the part that's sticky and then let it dry. Do not get this in your eyes because it will burn. But it does work to get rid of that stickiness. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.